everyone. So today we are going to learn some new letter sounds. All right, let's start with this. What is this? This is an umbrella. And what's the first sound you hear in umbrella? You hear a short sound, which is a short U sound. So umbrella, U, And remember that U is one of our vowels. Good. Let's look at some consonants. So first, we have a jellyfish. And what's the first sound you hear in jellyfish? You hear a J sound. So we have J, jellyfish, J. Good. And what is this? We have a volcano. And what's the first sound you hear in volcano? A V. Good, a V sound. So we have V, volcano, V. Good. And we also have a walrus. And what's the first sound you hear in walrus? Good, a W sound, a walrus. All right, so we have W, walrus. Good. And our last one, what is this? This is a little bit trickier. This is a yak. And what is the first sound you hear in the word yak? Good, I hear a Y, a Y sound. So we have Y, yak, Y. So now I want to blend these new sounds together to make some words. So let's start with this one. All right, so we have our Y that makes the Y sound. Our U, which makes the short sound because it follows the same rules as the other vowels. If it's the only vowel in a word and it's followed by a consonant, it makes it short sound. So the U's short sound is an sound. And our M makes the sound. So we have Y, M. Okay, let's blend. Y, Y, M. Good. Y, M. Yum. Good job, guys. We just blended the word yum. All right, let's try a different one. All right, first we have our J that makes the J sound. And our U still makes it short sound because it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant. And our T makes the T sound. All right, so we have J, T. All right, J, J, T. All right, J, T, jut. Jut. Good job, guys. We just blended the word jut. All right, let's try a different one. All right, so we have our new letter V that makes the V sound. Our A, remember, it makes a short sound if it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant, so it makes our A sound. And our N makes the N sound. So we have V, A, N. All right. V, A, Va, N. All right. Va, N, van. So if you listen, remember, an N makes our A sound a little bit funky. So this is the word van. Good job, guys. We blended the word van. All right, we're going to do one more. So we have our other new letter, a W, makes the W sound. And our A still makes the short sound because it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant. So it makes the A sound. And our G makes the G sound. So we have W, A, G. Good. W, A, Wag. All right, let's see what we made. Wag. Wag. Good job, guys. We just blended the word wag. Awesome job! So now I want you to go on to Schoology and pick 3 of these words with our new letter sounds and record yourself blending these words together. Awesome! Have fun!